Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a Clickbank account step by step in 2025. So if you are getting into affiliate marketing or you want to promote any digital products, this is your starting point. First of all, you can either click on the link that is given in the description, or you can open your web browser and search for clickbank.com. Now, once you are on this page, you will have to click on this start here option and fill out some of the details. You need to provide your email address and you will get a video link from Clickbank. You can click on that link and you can come to know a lot of things about affiliate marketing with Clickbank. Now, this step is for absolute beginner, but if you have some experience, you just want to create a account over here right away, you will have to click on the login option, then scroll down and click on the create an account here. Once you do this, you will have to fill out this form that requires selecting your country, providing your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address, and you need to create a strong password for your account. Then you need to press continue with the terms and conditions and click on the create account option. Now on the next page, it will ask you to provide a unique username and a password. So you need to provide those details. Then you need to just submit this form. Now after submitting the form, you need to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours, because nowadays it is not very easy for you to create an account on Clickbank. So after 24 to 48 hours, you will get the response from Clickbank, and it will also let you know whether your account is approved or rejected. If it is approved successfully, you will have to come on the login option, click on the login page and provide that similar email address and password, and you will be able to log in into your account. But if your submission is rejected, I would recommend you to submit your request again with the updated information after 10 to 15 days. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.